Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn glimpses of India together, step by step. Today we read Glimpses of India, a chapter of 3 travel pieces. The first, A Baker from Goa, recalls the old Portuguese-style bakers. The second, Coorg, describes a beautiful land in Karnataka. The third, Tea from Assam, tells of India's famous tea gardens. In the first part, the writer fondly remembers the Goan baker, called the pater. The baker's loaves and bread bangles were once part of every celebration, from feasts to weddings. The piece is a warm, nostalgic look at the Portuguese influence still alive in Goa. The second part takes us to Coorg, a stunningly beautiful region in Karnataka, full of coffee plantations and rainforests. The Kodavu people are known for their bravery and hospitality. Visitors can enjoy river rafting, trekking, and the sight of elephants and birds. In the third part, 2 friends, Pranjal and Rajveer, travel by train to Assam. Rajveer is excited to see the famous tea gardens stretching out like a green carpet. He shares interesting legends about how tea was first discovered in China and India. The chapter celebrates the diversity of India, its food, its landscapes, and its traditions. Through Goa, Coorg, and Assam, we see how rich and varied our country is. The message is to take pride in our heritage and to appreciate the beauty around us. Let us learn some new words. Nostalgia, a fond longing for the past. Plantation, a large estate where crops like tea or coffee are grown. Hospitality, a warm welcome given to guests. And legend, an old story handed down over time. To recap, Glimpses of India shows 3 lovely parts of our country. We meet the traditional baker of Goa, the green and brave land of Coorg, and the famous tea gardens of Assam. Together, they celebrate the wonderful diversity of India. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.